Do you feel like you are invisible sometimes and wonder how to make yourself the guy everyone notices? The big issue for lots of guys is not knowing how to grab that spotlight and be the one women are drawn to. Fixing this is important because when you are seen as someone special, you feel better about yourself and your dating game gets a real boost. In this video, we are diving into the secrets of standing out and connecting in the dating world. We will show you how to be your best self, the kind of guy who naturally attracts attention by being confident and charming. By the end of this video, you will discover the top 3 simple tricks to get women to pay attention to you, want your time, and show you affection. Number 9. Look the best. Taking good care of yourself is a surefire way to make her beg. Imagine you are too busy working out to reply to her text right away. When you do get back to her, mention casually that you were in the middle of a workout. This not only shows you are taking care of your body, but also subtly hints at your dedication to looking good. And let's not forget about your skin. A simple skincare routine can work wonders. Using a basic face wash, a scrub for exfoliation, and moisturizers for day and night can keep your skin looking fresh. If you are into it, adding an eye cream can help with those under-eye bags and fine lines. Number 8. Never settle for less. Having high standards is a sign of self-respect and confidence, traits that are highly attractive. It is about knowing what you want in a relationship and not settling for anything less. This approach shows you value yourself and your time and makes you more appealing in her eyes. When you are clear about your expectations and work hard to achieve your personal goals, it sends a message that you are ambitious and driven. This kind of selectivity makes you more desirable, as it suggests you are not just looking for anyone, but someone who truly matches your standards. Number 7. Be the prize. Seeing yourself as the prize flips the usual chase dynamic on its head. Instead of you doing all the running, make it so she is the one begging to catch up with you. This doesn't mean playing hard to get for the sake of it, but genuinely valuing yourself and your time. If you are engaging in a conversation, knowing when to pull back a bit can intrigue her and make her want to pursue you more. This strategy is all about showing your worth subtly and make her more eager to win your attention. Number 6. Wait for her to text you first. It is a smart move not to always be the first one to text. If you are always the one starting conversations, she won't have the chance to miss you or wonder about what you are up to. Maybe she will start thinking, is he out with someone else? What is he doing? It is tough, but try to hold back and not reach out first all the time. Are you wondering if she will ever text you? Well, there is a way to nudge her without being too direct. Share snapshots of the fun activities you are up to. It could be anything from a cool spot you are visiting to a fun event you are attending. When she sees you having a great time, she will feel like she is missing out and be more inclined to reach out. Plus, it shows you are a fun person to be around. Number 5. Hold your urge to reply quickly. Playing it cool when you get a text can really work in your favor. Resist the urge to reply immediately. Give it a few minutes before you respond. This little delay makes her wonder if you are busy, with someone else, or just leading an interesting life. It is all about creating a bit of mystery and showing that you are not just sitting around waiting for her text. Number 4. Show your success. Being passionate and driven about your goals is incredibly attractive. You don't have to be super wealthy or own fancy things to impress. What really matters is that you are dedicated to achieving your personal goals, whether they are career-related, hobbies, or other interests. Let her know about your ambitions and the things you are passionate about. It is not just about having a successful career. It is about showing that you are someone with direction and purpose. When she sees that you are a man with plans and dreams, it makes you more desirable. Number 3. Invest your emotions. Women really like it when they get attention because it makes them feel good and confident. Usually, how a young woman looks is a big part of who she thinks she is. When others notice and like her looks, it makes her happy and proud. But sometimes, a woman will not be ready for a serious thing or will not see you as the right match but still sticks around for the ego boost and the attention she gets from you. It is super important to tell the difference between someone who is genuinely into you and someone who is just looking for attention. Here is a simple way to get comfortable and make her beg for you. Start by creating a friendly vibe with some easy chat and questions after you meet. Ask about her interests, what she loves doing, and her experiences. This keeps the conversation going and shows you are really interested in knowing her better. As you talk, try a little touch here and there to see how she reacts. Flirting a bit, joking around, and having fun talks make the atmosphere lively and enjoyable. A little touch can help make a stronger connection and spark more interest. The more you interact, the more exciting it gets, and the more you both will feel drawn to each other. Once you feel a good vibe between you, suggest doing something together you both would enjoy. This could help you get a date and spend more time together. When you invest your emotions and show genuine interest, you create an irresistible pull. She starts to crave your presence, your attention, and your affection. It is the emotional depth and the genuine connection that make her beg for more of you. Number 2, use silence and mystery. Being mysterious has always had its charm for ages. When you talk less and listen more, you come across as more interesting and deep. There are a few reasons why being mysterious is a good thing. First, even if you are just average smart, you seem smarter and more fascinating if you don't share everything about yourself. This can make her more interested in you, especially in places where everyone wants to meet someone who seems different or knows a lot. Second, if you are mysterious, you don't easily fit into simple categories. This means she can't just label you, which reduces the pressure to be a certain way or meet others' expectations. Lastly, sometimes being mysterious can make you seem a bit intimidating, which can actually work in your favor. In different kinds of relationships, being a bit intimidating can make women pay more attention to you and respect you more. Number 1, always put yourself first. A big mistake a lot of guys make is focusing too much on the girl and not enough on themselves. This just ends up wasting time. If a girl isn't replying to your texts, just let it go. Why keep trying with someone who is not into chatting with you? It is time to value your own time more. When you show you are a guy with limited time because you are that valuable, women take notice and yes, they beg for you. And if a woman sees you are always there waiting, you become too easy to get, and that is not as appealing. We all naturally want what is hard to get. Think about a fancy car like a Lamborghini. It is so wanted because not many can have it. That is how value works. The easier something is to get, the less we want it. This is true for people too. Women are especially drawn to guys who aren't always at their beck and call. If a woman sees she can't easily have you, she will want you more and think you are more valuable. But remember, this only works if the girl was into you at some point and then lost interest. If she was never into you, ignoring her won't suddenly make her want you. If she is slow to reply, be even slower. This shows you are not just sitting around waiting for her, and she needs to put in more effort to catch your attention. It is a smart way to show you are worth the chase. Conclusion. Remember, no matter who you are, compromising your self-respect for anyone, especially for a woman's attention, is never worth it. Instead, embrace the essence of being a bit elusive and make yourself a prize worth chasing. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.